Hello students, for this video I will be discussing a short description about SOHCAHTOA and I will also give examples so that we can easily master this topic. SOHCAHTOA is actually a combination of three acronyms. Its purpose is to help you remember three main trigonometry functions and it's surprisingly effective. These trigonometric functions are sine, cosine, and tangent. They're simply ratios that compare side lengths based on the angles within a triangle, and these three ratios are very specific to the triangle, and so they can't be mixed up. And that's why we use SOHCAHTOA to remember them. For our first word problem, the angle of elevation on the top of the building at a distance of 50 meters from its foot on a horizontal plane is found to be 60 degrees. Find the height of the building. So here, AB represents the height of the building. BC represents the distance of the building from the point of observation, which is 50 meters. In the right triangle ABC, the side which is opposite to the angle 60 degrees is known as the opposite side, which is AB. The side which is opposite to 90 degrees is called the hypotenuse side, which is A to C. And the remaining side is called adjacent side, which is B to C. Now we need to find the length of the side of A and B. So, for this problem, we will be using tangent. Tangent is equals to the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. So first we will get the given angle which is 60 degrees. And we will put it as tan 60 degrees is equals to AB divided by BC. If we will further simplify tan 60 degrees in our scientific calculator, we will get the square root of 3. Equals to AB divided by 50. Since AB is unknown, we will transpose 50 to the side of the square root of 3, and we will multiply these two together. Now we will get 50 to the square root of 3. The approximate value of the square root of 3 is 1.732. So AB is equals to 50 times 1.732 is equals to 86.6 meters. So the height of the building will become 86.6 meters. So for our second word problem, a ladder is leaning against a vertical wall that makes an angle of 20 degrees with the ground. The foot of the ladder is 3 meters from the wall. Find the length of ladder. Here, AB represents the height of the wall, A and B. BC represents the distance of the wall from the foot of the ladder, which is B to C. In the right triangle ABC, the side which is opposite to the angle 20 degrees is known as the opposite side, which is A to B. The side which is opposite to the 90 degrees is called hypotenuse side, which is A to C. And the remaining side is called the adjacent side. So we must always remember that this side right here is the hypotenuse side. This one is the opposite side and this one is the adjacent side. Now we need to find the length of the ladder AC. So the unknown for this problem is the hypotenuse, which is A to C. So since the hypotenuse is missing, we will use cosine. So cosine is equals to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse side. So first we will get the given angle which is 20 degrees and we will put it beside cosine. Cosine 20 degrees is equals to 3 divided by AC. So if we will further simplify cosine and 20 degrees in our calculator, we will get 0.9397 equals to 3 divided by AC. So since AC is missing or the hypotenuse side is missing, we will transpose 3 to the side of 0.9397 and therefore this 2 we will divide it. We will divide this 2 and we will get 3.192 as our answer. So the length of the ladder is about 3.193 meters. The length of the ladder is about 3.193 meters. So that's our final answer. So for our third word problem, a kite is flying at a height of 65 meters attached to a string. If the inclination of the string with the ground is 31 degrees, find the length of string. Here, AB represents the height of the kite. In the right triangle ABC, the side which is opposite to angle 31 degrees is known as the opposite side, which is the A and B. The side which is opposite to 90 degrees is called the hypotenuse side, which is A to C. And lastly, the remaining side is called the adjacent side, which is B to C. Now, we need to find the length of the string A to C, which is the hypotenuse side. So for this word problem, we will be using sine. Sine is equals to the opposite side divided by the hypotenuse side. So the second thing that we need to do is we need to put sine and the given angle in our situation, which is 31 degrees. 31 degrees. So sine 31 degrees is equals to AB divided by AC. So if we will simplify this, we will get 0.5150 is equals to 65 divided by AC. So since AC is missing or the hypotenuse side is missing, we will transpose 0.5150 to the side of 65. And we will divide these two together. And if we divide these two together, we will get 126.2 meters. Hence, the length of the string is 126.2 meters. So, for our fourth word problem, an airplane is observed to be approaching a point that is at a distance of 12 kilometers from the point of observation and makes an angle of elevation of 50 degrees. Find the height of the airplane above. Now, we need to find the length of the side A and B because it was asked in the problem, find the height of the airplane above the ground. And we already know that that is A and B. So, for this problem, we will be using sine. Sine is equals to opposite side divided by hypotenuse side. Now we will get the given angle in our problem, which is 50 degrees, and we will put it beside sine. Then we will simplify it. So if we simplify this in our scientific calculator, we will get 0.7660 is equals to h divided by 12. H stands for height. So since height is unknown, we will transpose 12 to the side of 0.7660. And if we transpose it, we will multiply these two together. Then we will get the answer 9.192. Therefore, the height of the airplane above the ground will become 9.192 kilometers.